Yeah. All right then. So, hello everyone. Am I audible to you guys? Like, just you can press yes in chat so that yeah you can yeah. All right. All right. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's start. So hello everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Vivek, and I'm excited to guide you through this process of creating powerful and insightful reports using Power BI. So basically, this session is designed for you to make end-to-end report from Excel to Power BI, like how you can transform your raw data into basically the Power BI dashboard or like visual report. So I will be taking you to through this journey, like how we will transform the raw data into good insightful reports. So now we'll understand what are the objective of this particular seminar. So what we'll do, basically, we will be transforming the way you look at data by leveraging the capabilities of Power BI. So what we are going to do, so converting Excel sheets into a Power BI report. All right. So now let's move to the next part. Like we'll understand the agenda for today's session. The agenda for seminar is first we will understand the pain point of Excel, like where Excel is lacking and where BI is helpful. Uh, and then next I will quickly introduce you to the business intelligence, like what it is and how it is helping. Next, we will look into the people, like we will understand for whom it really matters, like who are all people who can use or leverage this business intelligence. Then next we'll understand why only Power BI. There are a lot of tools in the market which can give you BI reports, but why specifically we are emphasizing on Power BI? And then we'll move to the next part where we will be creating uh, like Power BI report from the Excel sheet. So yeah, and later on, if you have any question, we can address those question. So in meanwhile, if you have any question, you can just type it in chat box so that we can end of the session. We will take those question and get back with answers. So all right. So now we'll understand the pain points of using Excel and where actually Power BI is helpful. So if you consider the size of data, like Excel is able to manage till 1 million rows, but on the other hand, Power BI can support millions of rows. That too, it have the capability to get data from multiple sources as well. So which makes Power BI little robust than Excel using Excel. If we talk about cloud-based feature, so Excel have limited functionality related cloud, but Power BI have like a lot of features related cloud-based. You can integrate the cloud data into the Power BI, and you can get real-time updates with respect to your reports. If we talk about visualization, Excel have like basic charts and graph. We don't have much variation in Excel. In case if you want any detail analysis, you may not have those particular charts in Excel. But on the other hand, Power BI have tons of chart. Like you can have the advanced charts which you can use to get the insights. And there is one more option called you. In Power BI itself, you will get 30, almost 30 different visuals or chart available. But there is a marketplace where you can get like more than 100 plus custom visual, which you can use and get good insights out of your data. If we talk about dashboard interactivity, Excel is pretty static in that way. So you don't have much interactivity options with respect to Excel reports. On the other hand, Power BI have like highly interactive, and you have more control over your data and the way you look at the data. If we talk about data security, Power in Excel, if you have to share a report to someone, you have to share data with it. So there is a big security issue, like you don't know the person to whom you are sharing the data, like how he will going to make use out of it. But on the other hand, you have full control, like what are all reports the executive or the person needs to see, and that too the data is not going to get exposed to that particular person. You can have roles and responsibility for particular report assigned. And if we talk about the comparison, the scale for Excel is small to medium. So for example, if you have like small data set or medium level data set, so you can compare easily in Excel. But sorry, but if you talk about Power BI, you can you can have like n number of data, like the large scale. Basically you can have it from multiple sources, and for example, you have like 4 5 offices. Each office is generating millions of rows. So to get it one to get all data in one place and make analysis out of it and take decision, it is a bit hectic task with Excel. But Power BI, you can get all those analysis in real time within a fraction of second. Then next, we will understand like what is a business intelligence. So the business intelligence is a process of transforming raw data, means the data into the Excel, into meaningful insight to support strategic decision making and utilizing tools and technique for data analysis. Like we all are like doing a lot of analysis in our day to day life. So what happens when you have Excel sheets? There are a lot of numbers are there. So if you have to compare number one from number two, it is a bit difficult, and there are chances of getting manual error. So where BI helps. So you don't need to calculate everything manually. You just need to set a report, and automatically it will refresh, and you will get good visually represented data, which will be easy for you to take decision. For example, comparison is there. As you can see here, comparison is there in report. So okay, I know the third candle is is in like a higher side. So I can look at this and I can easily take decision like, okay, this is the particular thing on which I have to focus. If something is in lower side, I have to focus more on that. So business intelligence is all about that. Now we'll understand why we have to use Power BI. So the point number one is it is user friendly. Like it is very easy to understand. There are no complex feature available, and you can learn it very easily. It have lot of features, like all the feature you need, which you need to create the data, like the report. You have all the necessary features available. It is cost effective. Power BI is freely available. For personal use, you can have free software that is from Microsoft. So yeah, basically it is a free software. Then it supports 100 plus data sources. So it is not only dependent, like you can only for one report you can only take data from one source, not other source. You can integrate 2 to 3 data sources, or like more than that. It supports like 100 plus data sources, so you can integrate multiple data sources and get data into one place, and then you can analyze it. And it is top ranked by Gartner. So Gartner, basically Microsoft is in the leader quadrant. So these are all like different BI tools. So why Power BI? If we consider, so it is in the leaders quadrant. It is like the best software available for BI. Now we'll understand for whom it really matters, like who are all people are going to use this BI. So first, the business leader, data analyst, transportation analyst, like decision makers, sales and marketing team, operations manager, executives, financial analyst, IT professional, human resource professional, and many more. Like I would like to make one point, like those who are dealing with data on day-to-day basis and taking decision out of it. Like daily managers are looking into the reports, and a daily basis they have to take some decision. So all those people who are taking decision, for them BI is for. Now let's understand for today's seminar, like what are all tools we are going to use, and what is the challenge which we are going to solve with the help of this Power BI. So the tool number one is Excel. Basically, our data is stored in Excel. So from client side, we usually get Excel sheets, like multiple Excel sheets. Then we put it in the Power BI, and we consolidate those and create a nice report. So yeah, so Excel and Power BI desktop we are going to use. Then next, the challenge which we are solving is we are kind of assisting a superstore owner who is unable to do the analysis. Like there is a owner, superstore owner, who is storing lot of information about his store, and basically he is unable to do the analysis because there are lot of fields, lot of different metrics available. So likewise. So in this particular session, we are going to cover like how you can download Power BI. Like once we understand how we can download, it is very easy to install. Like just download it and click on next. You will get it. Then I'll walk you through the basic overview, like what are all things available in that tool. So I'll give you overview of the Power BI. Then we'll directly jump into the practical implementation. So where we will be loading the data, then transforming the data, and then we'll create the report. So basically ETL steps we are going to follow in the transformation part. So after doing this, like we are going to create the following report. Like this is the report out of Excel sheets. We are going to create this report. So yeah, now let's jump to the window where we will be downloading. I'll show you. I'll quickly show you like how we can download Power BI. So for that, you just need to search download Power BI desktop. Press enter. So yeah, in the first link, you will have this is the official Microsoft website. So from here, you can download Power BI. So click on that. So yeah, you will get land into this page. So as per your system, if you have iOS or if you have Windows, you will land in the respective page, and then just need to click on download. And now I know the system configuration is 64-bit, so I'll click here and then I'll click on download. Yeah. So the system configuration part you can understand in your settings where you have the about data section. So all right. So now it is downloading. So I have like we have time constraints, so I have already installed it in my system. So we will directly jump to the demo part where I will be creating the report. So yeah, so once installed, it will show like this. So I'll just open it. Yeah, once we open Power BI desktop software, you will land into this window. So then you have to select blank report. So yeah. So now we are in the Power BI desktop home page. Like basically here we are going to create our report. So as you can see here, there are a lot of different options are available. Just like Excel, we have a lot of options. So this portion is known as ribbon. Okay, so this is home ribbon, insert ribbon, modeling ribbon. Lot of ribbons are there. This part is known as pane. Like here we have data pane. Right now nothing is there because we have not loaded any data. So as you can see, you haven't loaded any data yet. So get data. here it is visualization pane. So here you can see here like different type of charts are available, like line chart is there, bar chart is there, pie chart is there, donut chart, filters, lot of things are there. And in this section you can see these icons. So first is for report view, second is for table view. If I click on this, right now we don't have any data, so it will be blank. And this is the model view. So basically, here we will be seeing the relationship between two table. For example, if you have table A and table B, and you are linking those two tables, then here we can see the relationship, how these tables are related to each other. So I'll come to report view. Now, to load data, we have in home ribbon, we have option called get data. So if I click on the get data and if I press on more, here we can see we have more than 100 plus like source. So it is not specific to one particular source. Here we have lot of data sources from which we can get data into our Power BI report. So there, here Excel is there, CSV, XML, JSON, folder, lot of things are there. But and the best part is we can take data from Excel, folder, PDF, and multiple sources at single time. So right now I don't want that. I'll just load data from Excel. So I'll click on get data. Here first option is there, Excel workbook. So I'll click on that. Yeah. So here I'll directly I have to go to the folder where my Excel sheet is there. So okay, once I reach to that folder and I'll click on this Superstore data file. I'll click on open. All right. See, it is that easy. Like if I click on orders, right in the right hand side, see in left hand side you have the sheets. This is the your power like this is your Excel file. In Excel file you have multiple sheets. So if I could show you this Excel, so yeah, this is our Excel sheet. Here lot of data is available like order ID, order date, ship date, ship mode, segment. Lot of things are there. If I scroll down, here lot of data is there. And in Power BI, here you can see the same preview, like all the fields you have, segment, country, city, state, and here different sheets are there. So yeah, see here also the data is available. But to create the report, I want only order sheet. So I'll click on order. I'll check this box. This box is checked. So if it is unchecked, the following options are not enabled. So once I check this box, the two options got enabled. So first one is load and other one is transform data. So basically if I click on load, it will load the data into the Power BI as it is, like the way it is there in Excel, it will load as it is. But my requirement is, as I have doing the preview, I can see here, see customer name, sorry, lot of like see uh, here the column name is having capitals, the uppercase for lot of columns, but here somewhere it is like maintained in a smaller, like smaller case or the lower case. Here also segment, again country is in capital, state in capital, city in. So I want to make changes, like I want to make it consistent. So what I'll do, I'll click on transform data. So once I click on transform data, yeah, now here the new window will appear. So basically, this window says that it is a Power Query editor. So if anyone is an Excel user, he might know the Power Query editor. Basically, we will do the transformation, or we will perform our ETL steps here. So all the changes, necessary changes, we want to add column, we want to, make certain name changes, we want to extract some year or some whatever we want. Like we can make the changes in our existing data table, and that data table we can load in our Power BI. So basically, as you can see on right hand side here, applied step it is mentioning. So what is happening here? One by one, once I am changing something, so it is like kind of logging. So see here, now I want to change the customer name. So what I'll do, I'll just double click on it. So it will select. Okay, so I just want to make changes. I want to make it capital. So okay, I'll make it capital. I made the necessary changes, and once I am pressing enter, so yeah, this rename column step got added. So basically this change is documented in this particular step. If I remove this, again my column name will come in the same place, like same state. So quickly I will make the changes for customer name. Then again segment, I want S capital, then city, yeah, city, then state is fine, postal code is fine, region is also fine, then product name, yeah. So here I want to capital. So yeah, all right. So yeah, as we can see here, I have made the all column name consistent. So there is no discrepancy right now. Now my requirement is in this particular table, I have rate and I have quantity, but total sales I don't have. So basically now I want to add one column where I will be having information related total sales. So the purpose for having total sales, you will get it in the visual. Like whenever we are building visual, I want to see the total sales at that time. I can just pull that column and I can just drag and drop. We will see this in like further seminar. So right now my requirement is I want to add one column. So here you can see right now we are in the home ribbon. Now this is transform, this is add column. So what I will do, I'll just go to add column. I'll click this option, the second number, custom column. I'll click here. Now in add column, when I click custom column, now here see, you can see one new window will appear. So what I have to do, I have to add a new column. That column name I have to give. So it is total sales. Yeah. Now here I have to write some formula. So it is very simple. Like what I have to do, I want to multiply rate into quantity. So this is rate. I'll select this rate. I'll insert. Okay. I'll give a asterisk symbol and then quantity. Again insert. So I'll press OK. So as I'm pressing OK, here you can see the total sales column got added in my table. So yeah, right now you can see here the data type for this profit. If I see it is showing 1.2. So 1.2 means if I click here, it will be showing decimal number. So it is correct for this. But for total sales, it is showing ABC and 123, which is not correct. So I want to make it as decimal number. So what I'll do, I'll just press on it and then decimal number. So yeah, as you can see, the data type got changed. Now, while working in this data, like I have seen, like in profit table, like profit column, I have inconsistent decimal number. Like somewhere it is 3, somewhere it is 4, somewhere it is 2. So I want consistency. So what I'll do, I want to make changes in this particular column. So I'll click on profit, then go to transform. So basically transform ribbon will help you to make changes in the same column, and add column will help you to make changes in the table level. So you will be adding new column into it. So right now I want to make changes in the profit. So I'll click on profit and then I'll transform it. And then here in number column, you have option called rounding. So you can round up, round down and round. So I'll click on third option. Now here I have to give how many decimal places I want. So I'll give 2 decimal places, press OK. So as you can see, it is getting changed. And here the new step got added. The same thing I will do for this total sales. So quickly I'll round it off. All right. So yeah, this is also done. Now I want like year basis, like here I have order date, but I want a specific column related to year so that I can do year wise analysis for year one, what are all the sales I have, for year two, what are all sales. So I don't have any year column here, like I don't know this particular order from which year it is there. Then to extract that, what I'll do basic thing. I'll select the column. I'll go to add column. Here for from date and time section is there. So here I'll click. Now you can see here lot of options you have. So out of all this option, what I'll do, I'll click on year and just get year. So yeah, inserted year, the steps got added, and in the end, in the last, you have this particular column added. Now I want quarterly basis analysis. So what I'll do, I don't know from which quarter this particular order is. So the same thing, I want to add quarter. So what I'll do, I'll click on order date, go to date, in same like add column date, in same quarter is there, and quarter of the year. All right. So here you see new step got added and the number for that respective quarter got added. But now, looking at this, I want it in the format for like, QTR. I want some name for this quarter four, quarter two, like that. So if it is only 4, 2, 3, I may not be able to, get it in a proper way. So to do that, what I'll do, I'll go to add column. I'll select this column. It may happen like you have different columns selected. So I'll select the quarter column. I'll go to the first option. In add column, first option is there, column from examples. So I'll click here, and second option from selection. Okay. So once I click on selection, now here you can see the new window appear, like here column one is there and here quarters is there. So I want to give reference for quarter one, and then the adjacent cell I will select, double click on it, and I'll just type QTR 4. Okay. So once I press enter, see, as you can see here, all the respective quarter, it got added. Then I'll just press on OK. So yeah, see, it is that easy to add, some column in Power Query. So the name right now is merged. So I'll just quickly rename it and give it name as quarter quarter name. Okay. So I think, yeah, the necessary changes which I wanted to make in my data are completed. So we'll directly move to the creation of report. So I'll go to home to save these changes and load data into your Power BI. So you can, go to home and then close and apply. So it will take little time. So So here all the ETL steps we perform, it is applying that. Now you can see here the orders table got loaded in our Power BI. So if I expand this, here you will see all the columns like category, country, discount, everything is there. Everything is there. Okay. So now we'll start with the report building. So initially what I will do, first I will select the theme which I have shown you in the picture that we will be showing you. Okay, this report we are going to build. All right. So let's begin. So come to the Power BI. Now in view ribbon, you have this theme option. So I'll select here. I'll select this theme. Okay. So our theme got set. So now I want to add a header name. So for that, what I'll do, I'll go to insert, and one shape I will add. Here shape option you have. So here like lot of shapes you have. So I'll add some rectangle. Okay. So I'll reshape this rectangle. Okay. Yeah. Reshaping this rectangle. Just as per your choice, you can give. Now, see now the once I select this shape, I have this format shape option. It is automatically turning on. So now what I want to add some text to it. So I'll select text. Okay. I'll just turn it on, add text to it. So it is super store analysis. Okay. Just increase the font size as 20. Make it little bold. I should give it a big 30. I'll give. Okay. Superstore analysis. All right. So yeah, I think my heading is set. Okay. Then what I will do, I will add some filters. So basically, here the option called slicer will help me to do that. So it is very easy. So I'll click on slicer. Yeah, you can see the slicer is getting added. Okay. Then what I will do, I want a region into it. So I want region wise analysis. So which region was there? So what I'll do, see here, now I can do it with three options. Like if I select this, it is getting added. Automatically it will get added. Okay. I don't want to do like this. Then I can just drag and drop this field. Again, I can do the same thing. Or else I can just drag and drop this field in the visual itself. Okay, you got it like this. Three way I can just drag and drop into it. Then I don't want this list thing. So here this is the format your visual option. So I'll go to format. I'll go to slicer setting and I want a drop down. So see in this way I want drop down. So this is little formatting I have done. Okay, and now I will just format it. Yeah. So region I have added. All right. Now region I have added. Now what I'll do, I'll just copy this, Control C, Control V, paste this multiple times. Okay. These are all things I have pasted. I'll just align it properly side by side. Okay. All right. Yeah. So now in region, I just need to change the field. So first region, then I want city wise, like then city I'll drag and drop into it. Very simple. And I can remove this. Next segment I will add. So segment wise analysis, if I want to do, I can just add the segment. Segment I have added. Again, next, I'll remove this. I'll add category. So there are different categories of goods this particular superstore sold. So I'll add that as well. And then I want to add a year. All right. So first remove this, then add year. All right. So yeah, as you can see, all our slicers are set. So we can just resize it little bit. Okay, office supply. You can see the segment, you can see the city and everything. Regions are set. All right. Then I just want a line, like small line and want. So that is the formatting part. I'll add this line. Okay. And just quickly resize it. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Now, I want to add one card visual. Basically, here all summarize information I want to see. Only values I want to see. Then I will add this card visual. Now, right now, to align my visual properly, I will go to the navigation like the view ribbon, and then I'll add this grid line. So see here in the background, I will have nice grid line so that I can easily, track my visuals properly and I can resize it as well. Yeah, this is one. So now in the first, I want total sales. Yeah, just drag and drop. Select that visual and drag and drop. Now the values are not visible. So I'll just quickly go to the format, call out values. I'll make it as a 30. See, you can see here. Now here I can see the total sale. Now the heading is not like readable. So what I'll do, I'll just quickly change it. So I will come to build visual side. Here wherever I have added this field, I'll just quickly double click and I'll rename it here. So see, the change got reflected here. And same thing I'll do. I'll just copy and paste 2, 3. This four visual I want to make. Okay, just quickly resizing it as per our need. Okay, all right. So yeah, okay, yeah, all done. Then now here total sales I have seen. Now I want to know total profit. So from my superstore, how much total profit that superstore owner have earned. I'll just select here total profit. So see here I can quickly get those values. Total profit. Okay, wait. Total profit. The next one is I want to know like what are the total discount, how much discount like we have given. So here I'll add discount again. Total discount I'm adding. And here I want to know like number of cities in which we sold our goods. So I'll just uncheck this and city option we have. Okay. So right now it is coming as a first city. So what I have to do in order to get the number of city, I'll just click on this down arrow. I'll just count distinct, right? 531 we are getting. Okay. Now double click. I'll give number of city. Okay. Right. Now the requirement is like category wise. I want to know the total sale. So for that, what I'll do, I'll take this column chart quickly. I will resize it in the shape. Yeah, and then I'll add the fields here. Now right now you can see here. Once I click select this chart, here I have x-axis, y-axis, legend, and everything I have. So in x-axis, I will keep the categories. Like from which category I want to see the comparison. So for that, I'll add categories in the x-axis. Okay, and with respect to sales, I want to see. So in y-axis, I will add sales. Okay, quickly I will rename it. Yeah. So total sales by category. This comparison we have added. Now I want to see the distribution among region, like which region is having how much share for profit. Basically, I want to see profit. So I'll select this pie chart. The pie chart got added. Quickly I'll add the legend. In legend, I will add region. See, region got added, and then profit. Total profit I want to see. Then I'll add profit to it. All right. See, it is that easy. The best part is coming in like the upcoming session. So yeah, kindly be patient. So yeah, this is the thing we added. Now here, quickly I'll rename this total profit. Okay, total profit by region. So out of this total profit here, I will have this. Now I want to see with respect to time. With respect to time, what was my sales? So what I'll do, I'll get this line chart. Quickly, I'll resize it. Okay, I'm resizing it. Yeah, and then here again, you just need to drag and drop the field. So in x-axis, I will keep date, like the order date. Okay, in x-axis, order date is there, and I want to know the total sales. Correct. So in y, I'll add total sales. I'll rename this. Okay. Now I want some points like as you can see here. If I here these points and labels got added. So now these are the things which I want to add in my chart. So what I will do, I will go to format. Here uh, data label option is there. So I will add. So I can see the values, and here I have the one more option called markers. Okay. So I'll just turn it on. So yeah, here you can see the markers got added. Here I can set the size, like if I want little big marker, I can increase the size. See, 10 pixel it is. Right now I will keep it as a 7 or 6, I will keep it. Now the best part of this chart is you can drill down. So basically, if you drill down, it will go to the next level, like on the basis of like quarter. Here option is there. You can see the next level. See, it is the daily level it is. So yeah, this is the monthly level. So this is by how the data was, sales was there per month. So I can see here in December, the most of the sales happened like 41 million, like 0.41 million sales happened. Okay, and here small detail chart I want to add about the customer. So here I will just take table quickly. I'll resize it. Okay, yeah, resize it, and then I will add the following fields. So first one is the customer name. Customer name I'm adding. All right. Then from which city he is. Okay. Then I want to add the quantity, like how much quantity that particular customer buy. So yeah, this is the one. And then total sales. Then total sales we will add. So yeah, right now you can see we have to format it little bit. So the quantity I'll keep it, and total sales I'll keep it. Okay. Yeah. So values are like just need, you can format it here itself in the visual. Okay. Yeah. So visual side you can easily format this so that you will get a nice and clean picture. So if I look at values, I'll just make it little less. Yeah, see, in one single picture I can see. Now I want to add some like distinguish between like this four. So quickly I'll just add one shape. Okay, this is the line which I want vertical. I'll rotate it the 90 degrees. Okay, just quickly resize it. Okay, yeah, and same thing, I'll just copy paste. Keep it here, and then next one, keep it here. Okay, yeah, and if I click on view, I don't want to see grid line. So yeah, see, your report got ready within 15 to 20 minutes, that fast. Like now if I want to see for a particular region, and the best part about it is interactive, like it is highly interactive. If I click on furniture, so see, all values are changing. So furniture in 153 cities, furniture sales was happened. Total discount given like 76.29. The profit earned from furniture was this. The sales happened like this is the sales amount. And here you can see the trend for furniture. If I select technology, Here, everything is changing. So for region, I want to see for east region. So I'll only click on east region. So, I can get those values. Now, specifically, if I want to select for central region, I'm selecting central region. Okay. So all other things are getting blank. For east, it is south. Okay. Likewise, for city segment, I can select any segment. For consumer segment, I want to see what is the trend. So I can see consumer segment. These are the total sales, and in east region, most of the consumer sales got happened, and this is the trend for that. So this comparison I can do right away in front of, yeah, in front of my dashboard. So 2015 I want to see. So this is time specific. In 16 no values are there. So likewise, see, I can compare it right away. So yeah, this is how you can create nice dashboard. You have full liberty, like how you can use this visual for your own analysis, and you can basically create whatever you want from Excel to your Power BI report. So now let's jump back to our session. So right now, I would like to show you some of our reports which we have created for our clients. So let me show you this. These are the reports. This is the report link. Okay, just give me a moment. Yeah, as you can see here, this is the report for the traffic analysis. So see, it is geographically, you can see what is the trend. I can select any space here, and I can easily see. If I go to the next page, I will have like road by road comparison, like what are the total vehicles, like what was the uh, below, like 20 to 30 miles per hour, how many vehicles are there. Here I can see road wise vehicle, average speed, everything. Like you can see each and everything, whatever data you have, it is really easy. So here top 5 vehicle by count, top 5 highest road, top 5 motorcycles, everything. So these are the custom metrics which we have created, like daily speed summary count. So if I click here, so basically it will change as per my requirement. So I want to see Boston Road, so I can only see the Boston Road data. I want to check for only these 3 days. So then it will change. Yeah, quickly. Like see, I can select 2 3 road, and here it will give you the total analytics, whatever it is. Yeah. So the data. So to create this report, we have received the data, like this. I'll show you. So these are all Excel sheets we have received, and these Excel sheets we consolidate in one, what you can say, one sheet, and one report, and we are like creating that report. So yeah, let's get back to our presentation. Yeah. Okay. So I think the today's session is complete. Now you can post your question in chat if you have any question. Like the floor is open for you to have questions. Okay. All right then. I'm not seeing any questions. So yeah. So yeah. In case if you want to know more about this report creation and Excel, you can reach out to us with this following credential. I'll just and thank you so much for joining this session. Yeah. Thank you so much. So I'll end this session. All right. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time.